Minister Radhesham asserts that persons involved in malpractice in evaluation of Class 10 answer scripts will not be spared. Congress spokesperson Joy Kishan alleges that horse trading by BJP government is the biggest corruption in Manipur. Manipur observes World Press Freedom Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails social media on the day. A combined team of police and Assam Rifles rescued driver and handyman kidnapped for ₹2 crore ransom from Tejang Bank in Kangpokpi district. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Joy Srivusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham today categorically stated persons involved in the malpractice in evaluation of answer scripts of high school leaving certificate examination will not be spared. The Class 10 examination is conducted by Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Speaking to media on the sidelines of the teachers training program held at SCERT Lamphilpat, Radhesham said an inquiry committee headed by Principal Secretary of Education S has been probing the allegation of malpractice in evaluation of answer scripts. The minister said if officials are found involved, stringent action will be taken against them and no one will be spared. Responding to media query on the malpractices by the Secretary of BOSEM, the Education Minister asserted that action will be taken against him if he is found guilty. It may be mentioned that Kanglei Park Students Association KSA alleged that there are malpractices in the evaluation of answer scripts of Class 10 examination conducted by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur. The student body accused T. Amubi, a mathematics teacher of Peace and Freedom Academy, Thobal, of replacing old answer sheet by a new one at CC Higher Secondary School. It also accused the BOSEM secretary of many wrongdoings.
Metric Prekhagi evaluation tawada kai kenokra asweram khra yawram me kholam misif tawram khra yawram me hedana report khra fangi adu we have instituted one inquiry. Principal Secretary Education staff official inquiry order. We will not spare anyone who is found involved. Yaurami Katukan media spare education see home whole team see left and Sigumba Patava Yauram action inquiry Pangak finding action low never. Appropriate action. Go.
A two-day training program for teachers on equipping the students to face challenges of 21st century education, role of teachers and society, organized by Directorate of Education S, began today at State Council of Educational Research and Training SCERT at Lamphilpat. Inaugurating the program, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham urged the teachers not to teach what is contained in the textbooks only, but make them aware of the issues facing the society and prepare them to face and resolve them. He hoped that the program will provide the teachers a platform to interact with one another. Good things, positive thinking, positive attitude, positive perception of our opportunity, of our value system, of our principle, of our emerging system. Even profitable society, we have to mentor them, we have to guide them, we have to educate them. We visit this Hamas, so it's people are also studying. Let my children also go to the school and study. Kanglei Park Student Association's claim of catching a teacher replacing answer sheets of Class 10 examination conducted by BOSEM BOSEM at CC Higher Secondary School yesterday is false. The teacher was caught red-handed by the controller of both of Secondary Education Manipur, L. Pulchand. BOSEM officials demanded an apology and public clarification from KSA for accusing the entire teaching fraternity for the misdeed of a particular teacher. They have resolved to halt the evaluation of answer scripts. Examiners at CC Higher Secondary School and Johnstone Higher Secondary School convened a meeting today at CC Higher Secondary School. They questioned the KSA on what basis they claimed to have caught the teacher when it was the controller himself who caught him. T. Amubi, who was caught while searching for handwriting similar to 16 different answer scripts of 16 different students with him by the controller himself, and the same was confessed by T. Amubi in front of the Education Minister today. Secretary of BOSEM and Controller of Examination tried to pacify the teachers and appeals to them to resume the evaluation of answer scripts by tomorrow.
Koi sahi ame seeing jari ibasi ado how ki ba sahi kaya dagi asigumba board ki seeing bada paisa talaga drive tawraga angang singi future mang ba yabagi mawngda hapak pasi masit tasing na hagadi oza community gi oiba pulap asopani particular oza sida CSS sumai yawi kholina direct pharaga students organization sida pau piraga public ta flash torok ba habse masit tasing na hagadi masi conspiracy male
mane tuition toba satra matra troki jelma proise Settle like a maming tatra pureo. Nakan Zitamakanda, handwriting some manner of Mandabra. I must Tivas and my head race. More is a matanda never. As I told you, Tabuxi was our winter. Matter of Tabox, the Mamatics out and Ifusani. Was our Loina Savannah around so I want Batabok to have the case Yaro, Canapti.
Canamta Pam the Vacation number that was Azina, Chi and Bagi, Shums and Samani Yang, the Samani Torga, and Permins Tautu Lamadagi, I Junction Jeraga, Yang Jerubani. Ozada Ozana Tormi Posidi, examiner Robugi, Tenoma Oidre, I don't know, Ozana Silan Posi, Shendopon to Yaram Japanese.
Congress spokesperson Kumukjam Joy Kishan today stated that the Congress welcomes the efforts of the BJP government to eradicate corruption in the state. However, the Congress MLA alleged that horse trading by the BJP government is the biggest form of corruption. Speaking to media persons at Congress Bhavan at BT Road, Joy Kishan demanded the BJP government to make it clear on what ground it is initiating a CBI probe against the Manipur Development Society. He said the government is silent about the Loktak scam, which is the BJP used against the Congress government in 2014 Lok Sabha election and the recent state assembly election campaigns. He asked when the government is handing over the Loktak scam to the CBI. Joy Kishan alleged that the BJP is indulging in activities which violate the constitution of the country. He said the Congress will urge the parliament to introduce a strict law against horse trading and also to introduce a bill to strengthen the 10th schedule. The Congress spokesperson maintained that an MLA can join any party he prefers, but should resign as an MLA before joining the party.
MDS Natana Department Kudimakta Asoiba Aranba Putulaga General Miado Dandi Pigi Hivese Masi Congress Party na Matam Kudimakta Taram Opogalana Shawkani. Nasi corruption Mutatkani Haiduna Paliba government Sigimaro party BJP na Toina Lauri. Quite the Chawa corruption Hibisidi MLA horse trading Tobuse Shidagi and a Chawa corruption Likari legacy in Quentamzanis. 10 scheduled Yauriba defection at the phone of Sogale MLA Kiamo Minister Pigani. Chauros Aro offer me Amato we have a sea, Nasi Manipur Prazamiamna, Loina Kangara Wapom. Asugum Laba, Asoba corruption na se, Yokali Basidi, Karino Hibase, Akona Wang Amatamjari.
Today is World Press Freedom Day. The United Nations General Assembly declared the 3rd of May as the World Press Freedom Day to raise awareness of the importance of freedom of the press and remind governments of their duty to respect and uphold the right to freedom of expression enshrined under Article 19 of the 1948 Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today hailed social media on World Press Freedom Day. Underlining the importance of World Press Freedom Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said it is a day to reiterate his unwavering support towards a free and vibrant press, which is vital in a democracy. The Prime Minister, who has time to time pitched for the use of social media, tweeted, "In today's day and age, social media has emerged as an active medium of engagement and has added more vigor to press freedom." The day was also observed in Manipur. The Editors Guild Manipur observed the day on the theme "Critical Minds for Critical Times" and promoting the media's potential as a catalyzer of peace and mutual understanding at State Information Center, DIPR, Palace Gate. The event highlighted the contributions of media in the society and the significance of press freedom. In his speech, Commissioner of Information and Public Relations K. Radhakumar spoke about the grievous inconveniences faced by media persons while collecting news. He also expressed concern about the threats the media persons face. It may be mentioned that World Press Freedom Day is being observed for 4 days at the global platform from May 1st to 4th at Jakarta in Indonesia.
media ki chopa kasagi freedom mayam sigi challenge sigi concerted khanna bam chan khabar sing sina noina si anda ground gar mari le na si in to pom si kai yo kai anda andan meeting to na ro kuna maksi loi daga mayam na tunna hada yum da hada pa si kana protect to gi gan le ni na sai security di bi da media person phone ro ga di kai lakani phone ga di kai lakani masi ki electric ko situation si da ni gi Manipur da kana thiang gari ba kai no media is the policy disseminate to yang nak kangen bagi ke boleh to masih nak primary program yang nak ramai nak to case itu this saya disseminate to kita lagi ngan saya reciprocal hai betul feedback melalui that is more important.
A combined team of Manipur Police and Assam Rifles rescued the driver and handyman who were kidnapped by an underground outfit for a ransom of 2 crore rupees today. 2 of them were kidnapped this morning around 9 from Taijing Vang in Kaitelmanbi in Kangpokpi district. Sources said armed miscreants halted a Tata truck registration number AS01 DC0723 loaded with tiles which was coming from Dimapur towards Imphal at Taijang Vang on National Highway 2 and took away the driver and the handyman at gunpoint towards the hillock behind the road. On getting information about the kidnap, a combined team of District Commando led by SP Kangpokpi, Balram and 38 Assam Rifles under the supervision of DIG Range 3 Jayanta rushed to the spot. After seeing the security forces, the miscreants left the driver and the handyman and fled away in the hills. The driver is identified as Abdul Samad from Kwakta Ward number 7 and the handyman as Atlab Hussein from Yaripok, Chongamdabi. It may be mentioned that the underground outfit KNFP demanded a ransom of 2 crore rupees from the owner of the vehicle. Despite the assurance given by the governments to issue petrol and diesel in oil depots, people could not purchase fuel as the oil tankers did not deliver fuel to the pumps. Oil tanker drivers ceased work protesting the attack on oil tankers on Imphal-Dimapur road by armed militants. After the Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren yesterday assured them of meeting their demands at a meeting, all Manipur Petroleum Products and Drivers Association suspended the ceased work and agreed to deliver fuel at the oil depots. Officials of oil depot at Malom told Impact News that they have issued 416 kiloliter of diesel and 358 kiloliter of petrol to be delivered to oil pumps. Meanwhile, a few oil tankers have started delivering fuels to some oil pumps. Most of the oil pumps in the city remained closed. There is sufficient stock for 22 days at Malom Oil Depot. It may be mentioned that cadres of KCP People's Wall Group fired at the oil tankers on April 18th and 30th on Imphal-Dimapur National Highway. Police have arrested 4 KRA cadres involved in the April 18th firing. An official of the MPSC has been accused of deceiving two visually impaired persons at the multitasking non-technical staff examination held on April 30th. Handicapped Development Foundation has lodged a complaint with the authority concerned. Secretary General of the foundation, Sapam Jashobanta, told the media at Manipur Press Club that two visually impaired persons appeared in the examination held at MPSC examination hall. He said the MPSC official provided a single answer sheet to the two candidates and they wrote their answers on the same answer sheet. He urged the authority concerned to punish the official and reconduct the said examination.
Candidate Anisina Makoi writer, Makoigi ascribe Makoi Masana Pujaragadra, Natraga Makoi exam authority do na arrangement of Bigadra and Hangjabamatamda, exam authority na arrangement Kudimak Taurani, Nakoi Warano Hina promise the Viraga, exam numitas mina Tayo Nabatong, Tuan Bahibese. Manipur ki miyam da amadi akoi nama soiba community da achoba nam thak amane re-exam tawbidana makoi bu right to work, right to job ase phangangadabani masi phanganbidaba taragadi ain gi oiba mateng sing akoi laudana authority sing sida akoi action laukhananabagi thabak laukhatpa haurani.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union (AMJU) in its annual general body meeting held on May 1st at Manipur Press Club re-elected Wangkhemcha Samjai of Kangleipaki Meira as the president for the third term. He defeated his opponent Panjaubam Santosh of Press Trust of India (PTI) by 41 votes. Bishorjit Ngamairapam of Impact TV has also been elected as one of the standing committee members. A 7-day basic course in news reporting began today at Tamenglong District Information Office. Chongtham Noyon, course coordinator, State Institute of Journalism (DIPR), opens the course, which is the third program conducted in hill districts. Altogether, 26 persons are participating in the course, which will conclude on May 9th. Now let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A team of Imphal West narcotic cell seized liquor worth 2 lakhs rupees while conducting drive at two different places of Imphal city. The team also arrested 42-year-old Makak Mayum Tayyib Ali, son of Makak Mayum Nazir Ali from Lilong Jinkham Makhadam, with 100 pieces of World is Yours WY tablet. He was arrested near Hicham Yaichampat. Tayyib Ali works at a furniture house and in Moirangkhom. Narcotic cell team led by OCK Ranjit conducted the drive in various places of Imphal. The liquor was seized from a shop at MG Avenue, popularly known as Chandu Dukan, and shops behind Imphal Polo Ground during the raid. 48-year-old salesman from Chandu Dukan from Bihar, Rajkumar, said the liquor was supplied by Manipur Rifles canteen. OC Ranjit said none of the liquor shop owners has been arrested. KSA has announced 24-hour public curfew on educational institutions from the midnight of May 5th. KSA has also called for 24-hour general strike from the midnight of May 7th. KSA is demanding the Education Minister to take action against those involved in malpractices in evaluation of answer scripts of Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. The student body had accused T. Amubi, a mathematics teacher of Peace and Freedom Academy, Taubal, of replacing answer sheet with a new one at CC Higher Secondary School. It also accused the BOSEM secretary of many wrongdoings. Addressing media persons at KSA's office, its General Secretary Sukham Vidyananda said they respect teaching profession, but they are against those teachers who are indulging in malpractices.
Si yang madlepa na yauriba ozasing asi makogi mathakta mari leinaba ngasigi lenga asina akan maming sanglakanda makogi sabir school gi matungina sabsaba penalty phangangadabani private school gi ozasing madre yauriba sing adusu concern oriba school gi principal singna thabak tagi lokthokadabani ꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯕꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ FIR ꯑꯃ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯌꯣꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯟꯈꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯦꯛꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯗꯕ ꯀꯦꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯒꯅꯤ.
Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO today held a religious function in memory of the persons who died in a communal clash which occurred on May 3rd in 1993. The function was held on the theme Peace and Communal Harmony at Oinam Sawambung Community Hall. Speaking at the event, President of Ethno Heritage Council, Longjam Ratan Kumar, expressed concern at the increasing cases of mob justice in the state. He called upon the people to live in peace and harmony. Convener of Goodwill Mission for Peaceful and Coexistence Manipur, Ningthauja Lancha, urged the people to respect all faiths. MMWO President Fam Abdullah Pathan said people of all communities should try to resolve issues amicably instead of trying to give communal color to any problem. MMWO presented gifts to the victims' families and a blood donation camp was also held.
Maitai pangan amasung maitai haibase kainongda kainaba yararoidabani mifatta kharana kayara ghanno honaraga su madu mai paaroidabani aduna mifatta sangi thabakase aikoi mai pahandanabagi damakta lamnamsida lagiriba koi kudingmona punna honaminasi maduda aikoi thamoi sengba nungsiba achumba amadi phajabada yumpham oiraga aikoi thabak pangthokminasi ngasigi thodona yegi puareni mipum khudinga khaminarba wafam Hari matanggo matam puna makta lantam masigi imale ba iram dam masi puwarida amu bakali na matam puna makta yiragle hulaga daw matam puna makta lantam masigi mioi singa amani Manipur Muslim singi thamoina mali masi thogdok ne habase masi ai thamdani.
Students of Samuro Government School held a protest today against lack of infrastructure in the school. The school has 94 students from class 6 to 10. General Secretary of the school, Mayingbam Krishna Chandra, said there are only 11 teachers in the school, while it is supposed to have 19. He alleged that the teachers are not regular and the students do not have regular classes and ID cards. The school does not have sufficient blackboards and floods during rains. There is no adequate toilets in this co-educational school. Krishna Chandra said students have even appeared in the Maitai examination, though the school does not have a teacher for the subject. He appeals to the government to look into their grievances.
Headmistress ta mang man dai sa ko medam koi oja awat pa leiraga ju oja tarama thu jidi kahan mi ro haiba matam bawda medam na action lokhat pidaba asai ayu khangde hai ni kolni ni haraga adumak leibiba satra na kai kai dor kani khokani momoida noina tawning ba tawro medam je matik chadre adudi kai kai oibi ro khoi no hai matam medam na ai noina tawning ba tawro ai di gomen odai noina haijening ba khoje masana ju sen na tawjaraba masan ju control tawba ngamdre kotre masan dum haijare khongjang ge changje lobo kawni na koi solution ama Purti bauti halaro adu athu matamda medam RK tampasana bu mari lenaba department singna lokthok piu amadi iskunjigi matik chaba piwam thokpa loimak pibiu.
School safety program on disaster management was conducted at Kendriya Vidyalaya, Leimakhong today. The program was organized by 12 Battalion National Disaster Response Force NDRF under the aegis of Ministry of Home Affairs. The team led by Inspector Vivek Kumar of 12 NDRF Battalion demonstrated how to take care of themselves during earthquakes, fires, floods and landslides to the students. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights, United NGOs, Mission Manipur, Social and Youth Development Organization, Women Action for Development and All Kakching Kuno Maira Paibi Welfare Association jointly held a sit-in at Kakching Kuno Bazaar against the April 14th Paknung gang rape incident today. Many people took part in the sit-in. Bajaj Dominar 400, first of its kind in Bajaj Dominar range bikes, was launched at Bajaj exclusive showroom Manipur Motors at Mantripukri today. Bajaj Dominar is capable of 1.5 kilometer light distance, making it a convenient ride at any condition. With both the front and rear disc installed, the bike is powered by 373cc. Manager of Manipur Motors H.C. Jain and actor Gokul were among those present at the launch. Now sports news. Oinam Bembem has been nominated for Arjuna Awards by All India Football Federation AIFF. The federation nominated Oinam Bembem, JJ Lalpe Kulwa and Gurpreet Sandhu for Arjuna Award. 36-year-old Oinam Bembem retired after participating in South Asian Games in Shillong last year. She has been nominated by AIFF for Arjuna Award for her commendable performances in the South Asian Games. FC Imphal emerged victorious in the first Sanghai Trophy Veterans Football Championship. In the lone match played today, FC Imphal thrashed Lagsa Sugnu 3-0. A. Dilip and Shamsundar and CH Odit netted in the 27th, 30+1 and 54th minutes of the match for the winners. The tournament is organized by All Manipur United Veteran Football Association under the sponsorship of Managing Director of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited, RK Rameshwar. 20 teams are taking part in the tournament. SA Sora will meet KSC Lambulan in the first league match tomorrow, while Sirti Chandel and Flam Yai School will meet in the second league match at Pamyal Patsoy Part 2 ground. Imphal East Club and Imphal West Club were drawn 2-2 in the Urja CAPF Under-19 Boys Football Tournament at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium today. RK Robin of Imphal West Club netted a goal in the 16th minute, while Fayachuddin of Imphal East Club netted 2 goals in the 42nd and 45+2 minutes of the match, taking his team to a lead in the first half. However, in the second half, KH Johan of Imphal West Club netted a goal in the 48th minute. Center referee awarded Mohammad Farzi, R. Lebkoten Chon and Fayachuddin of Imphal East Club and KH Herojit and El Sani of Imphal West Club yellow cards. 4 matches will be played in the tournament organized by IGAR South under the supervision of All India Police Sports Control Boards tomorrow. SHP SVA Sadar Hills and EIMIFC Langol beat their rivals in the 19th Challenge Cup Veterans Football Tournament. In the first league match played at 11 Atar Akampat ground, SHP SVA Sadar Hills beat WVFA Sagolban 4-1. In the second league, EIMI FC Langol thrashed UK FC Uripok 3-0. 9 teams are taking part in the tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Football Association. All Manipur Powerlifting Association has announced the names of 2 officials, 3 players in the boys section and 4 in the girls section for the Sub-Junior National Equipped and Unequipped Powerlifting Championship 2017 to be held in Chandrapur, Maharashtra from May 29 to June 1st. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister Radhesham asserts that persons involved in malpractice in evaluation of Class 10 answer scripts will not be spared. Spokesperson Joy Kishan alleges that horse trading by BJP government is the biggest corruption in Manipur. Manipur observes World Press Freedom Day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hails social media on the day. A combined team of police and Assam Rifles rescued driver and handyman kidnapped for Rs 2 crore ransom from Tejang Bank in Kangpopi district.